So we just completed our meal here at Wonderland. And what do you think, babe?
It was good. We had a lot of fun.
She tried to hang with Betsy again, and here we are. I'm gonna have to help her back to the room.
No, I'm good.
Chastity here, obviously. I think we can stop saying Josh and Chastity here at this point.
Yeah,
I think they know it's us. Moonlight Adventures here. What's up, Mafia? How you guys doing? Had a great day today in Cozumel. We did not get off the ship. Well, we did. We went down and we checked some things out, and then we came back and we hit some pools, we hit some hot tubs. We just chilled, and it's the first time we've ever done that in a port. I highly suggest it. And now we're getting ready to hit schooners again because we loved it. I decided to go with a t-shirt, shorts, and a cap. And you can see that I clearly kicked my coverage because, wow. Sorry guys, she's mine. But we're gonna go check out schooners because we love this place. It's been fantastic. So here we go. More schooner. Look who's with us again, guys. Made. Best bartender on the ship, man. Best bartender on the high seas. Made. All right, so Chastity, she likes a good stiff Bloody Mary. This is her first Bloody Mary. Not her first Bloody Mary on the ship, but her first Bloody Mary today and her first Bloody Mary on Schooner Bar. Schooner Bar has impressed. Look at all those olives.
Everywhere.
If you like olives in your Bloody Mary, this is a drink for you. Get in there. I don't want to leave this bar. This has been the best bar. I mean,
I know you don't like Bloody Marys, but
yeah, I mean, full disclosure, I'm not a Bloody Mary guy.
you'll like this though. It's good.
If you're into Bloody Marys, I'm sure it's great. It just doesn't do it for me. I mean, you know, full disclosure on me and Bloody Marys. I don't drink V8s. I just, for some reason, cold vegetables ground up and consumed in a liquid format is just nasty to me. I can't do it. I appreciate that. Good job, babe. Mike and Betsy should be showing up here soon. Again, this is our second time at Schooner Bar. We're going to be back here more and more. We love it. We just had a great talk with Made, our waiter. He is a fantastic bartender and fantastic waiter. Talked a little bit about gratuities and what they go to and how their pay is broken down. We'll save you guys from that right now, but we're going to talk about it probably on a live stream because everybody gets upset about gratuities going up. But then you have guys like Made who, dadgummit, they deserve it. So we'll talk about that a little bit. You know, Made has a kid at home and he's got another one on the way. His wife was in the cruise industry for 9 years. He liked her so much he put a baby in her. And, but you know, they come on the ship for 7-8 months and then they get 2 months to go home, and he's been doing it for 15 years and he's going to do it for 10 more and then retire. And you know, it's a lot of time away from your family, so take care of your wait staff on your cruise ships. Look who it is, a couple of thirsty beaches. Thirsty beaches. Yo, yo, yo. So it's vodka, Tito's.
Tito's, yes, Tito's,
Yeah.
blueberry puree, splash of soda. They mix it in the glass, so I don't mix it and separate flavor wise. You just mix it in the glass.
So let me ask you this, Vassal. I've noticed that even with the frozen drinks, it seems like you guys do fresh puree on everything. Is that true?
But which one exactly drink would you like?
Like the Miami Vice, the Pina Colada.
You can mix it, yeah.
Yeah, it's so good. It's not pre-made.
Nice one, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can just mix it with the ice, and it's easy for us to mix it and blend it all of
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, everything has been super
If
fresh.
you want something like this, happy birthday.
Cheers, Geek. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I love this martini
that is
so
so
much.
Lavender martini has become Betsy's favorite.
Yeah.
The one that custom made for me is made with vodka, strawberry puree, Saint Germain, and a few other ingredients. It's got
I didn't taste
mint
the
in
Saint
there as
Germain
well.
at all.
That was my first
He
guess,
has
and he
Saint
said
Germain
yes.
as well?
Taste test. What do you think?
Oh, that's good.
Really good, right?
That's really good, yeah.
I love the
This-
floral in the back of
This
it.
is the place to get the custom drink.
Yes.
They do.
Yeah, this is very similar to Alchemy Bar. Very creative with their drinks. They make beautiful drinks as well as tasty drinks.
We've got about an hour.
We're doing dueling vlogs right now. We're trying to talk over each other. Moonlight Mafia, Moonlight Mafia, Moonlight Mafia. There we go. Chastity got the same thing Mike has. It's some sort of, I don't know what you would call that.
Strawberry Saint Germain mint mixture.
It has
Mine's
to be
almost
like
gone.
some sort of-
Yeah. It's called effing good is what it's called.
Yeah, it's
It
really
is
effing
so
good.
good. I love it.
I said.
Headed to Wonderland, guys. Wonderland
You
Bar.
said 13. There's no 13.
Got to do a little pre-gaming before the dinner, before Betsy's birthday dinner. Happy birthday, Betsy.
Pre-game.
Pre-game, baby. We are at Wonderland.
Okay, well, I'm going to try
It
that.
is a very creative and imaginative, because that's what it says, menu. So
We
you
just have to make
pick
sure
a
to
selection
match with
from
the Mad Hatter,
each
so he
of
keeps coming back. Yeah.
the different, I don't know,
Sun, ice, fire, earth,
yeah.
sea.
which, you know me, I'm going to select more than one selection from each of those.
I think that you
With
just
jelly
they just
in
bring it all, don't they?
I don't know. I hope so. That would be awesome. So we're pre-gaming. Gonna hit the bar. Look at that. Imaginative cuisine. Wonderland. Here we go.
Bar is just
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Should we go through the store? Can you?
Ooh.
chastity. It's only for kids.
This is amazing. Already smelling some smoky smells.
Come just to the bar here.
Oh, well, welcome.
Yeah.
See, nobody's here.
So you do not have to have a reservation to come to the Wonderland Bar.
Are you influencer or blogger?
Yes. We all.
It's a special day for her.
It's her birthday, so.
Happy birthday.
That's really weird, but I'm like, okay.
He suggested that I have a purple bra.
Oh yes, we have talked about that many times, and you've never had one?
No, who has a purple bra?
Apparently you should have.
I evidently, because I don't even know I've ever seen one when I shopped.
No, black.
Thank you.
Black is always perfect.
This is the bar menu.
The rest of my life.
The white rabbit Rita. The Cheshire Cat Cosmo, which I've got to try. It's crazy. Down the rabbit hole and smoke rings.
It's really fun.
Even though it's kind of cool to read
Yeah, she forgets how we got up on stage. Remember that epic
the
moment?
little lines at the bottom here.
We do not forget.
I don't.
We're like, they're so being on this show.
It was like, you just go up there. So they walked up there. We had no idea what they were going to do. But we knew it would be awesome because how they act.
So we were
Like,
on
it was
Carnival
amazing.
Horizon the week before.
Okay.
And we didn't make it up on stage, but we did the opposite. So
Roberta,
I stood up on a chair and did like a Tarzan yell. And she pants me, well, underwear still on.
Yeah.
Pants me, and then bugger
Buried
pants
my
crotch.
face. I had to come see you.
Cheshire Cat Cosmo.
Ready? Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Cheshire Cat Cosmo.
Cheshire Cat
Yes.
Cosmo. Just
Okay.
got to do it. Got to do it.
Cheshire Cat and
Here we go. Here we go. So we got the Cheshire Cat.
Cheshire.
Cheshire.
would you like to tell me a story before I
tell you a story.
You're in Wonderland, right?
Once upon a time,
Yes.
there was
1981.
two.
We were in our dad's 1981.
No, it wasn't.
Wow. I was born in
We
1980.
were 10 years old.
Now, can I call you Alison?
Yes.
Yes.
We're in Wonderland, right?
Yes.
When you, Alice, go to Wonderland, right? You met this cat. The cat name is?
Cheshire.
According to the story, you speak with the cat, the talking cat, right?
Yes.
After you speak with the cat, what happened? I will tell you. Wait, but wait, there's more. The cat disappeared.
Oh, it's so cool. Very nice.
It did disappear.
Very nice. It's cheating.
Disappeared. I know.
Disappear. Make the pussy disappear.
It's in the story, right? And the
Okay,
cat.
awesome.
Very nice. Very nice.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers, bitches.
I can't reach Josh, but cheers.
Son of a.
There's a pile of napkins right there.
Oh, that's unexpected.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be more sweet.
Yeah.
No, right?
That's
Yeah.
That's the magic of it.
The magic of that little kitty cat.
Yeah, kitty cat.
I'm sorry, Gary.
No, it's okay.
I made mess. I make mess.
Okay, so I want the oh,
That's the Cheshire cat.
It's pretty tasty.
it is.
It's very tasty. Good job, Gary. Gary, you're my new best friend.
That's why we came back 2 nights
It's
in a row.
really easy to become his best friend.
He has lots of best friends.
Yeah?
They just met a best friend down at the.
I'm gonna tell you,
In the
man.
bathroom.
In the
He had-
bathroom.
He held it for another guy.
I
Yeah.
did. I did.
It was him, but
Now
I
the
liked
best
his watch.
friends-
I
that's
was
how they
standing there in the
met.
urinal and I looked and I was like, oh man, look at that watch. So then he asked if I would assist, and of course obliged.
So,
Yeah.
so they
true
came
son of
out.
gentlemen.
They came out, introduced us. Now we're here.
We just met 2
Just
minutes
met.
ago.
We've been holding hands
Is
every time we
that,
go
is that a
back.
galaxy?
Gary is making us a smoke ring right now. This is going to be amazing.
And I hear it, and I keep saying it.
That's how I feel about Martin Luther King. I told him, I go, you're ruined. Because I hear your parody on the radio.
Yeah.
I know. And I just went back and watched it.
Really?
Yes.
Better late than never.
Yes. Exactly.
Have a great night, guys.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah, it's
guys
great
too.
meeting you guys.
And likewise.
See you, man.
If you like tiramisu, do a tiramisu.
Oh, guys, ladies,
Oh,
ladies.
Tiramisu.
Literally, he makes the bomb tiramisu martini. It is like liquid tiramisu. I like tiramisu.
Very nice. All right, so my smoke ring has just showed up, and Mike's is on the way. Smells very good. Oh, that's money. Here we go. Oh my God, Mike,
My recommendation, I'm getting this.
that is amazing. Just amazing. Oh, that is incredible.
Oh,
Incredible. I don't even know. I got to look at the menu to see what's in it because that's unique.
It's like an old fashioned, right?
Yeah, but it's not
Rye whiskey, vermouth, maple syrup, bitters.
the maple syrup. That's what it is.
Yeah.
The maple syrup.
So it's
That
like
is
a
so
Canadian
good.
old fashioned.
That is so good. Yeah, I had something. Yeah, this is similar to the maple bourbon drink that they do in Disney World, but they don't smoke it, and they top it with popcorn, which is kind of weird. I didn't like it because they put popcorn on top of it in Disney World.
The blue one is with the blue curacao and lime. Anyway, this is the alginate water to make the liquid that makes the pill.
okay.
I will show it to you. This one. And then the story begins when Alice go to Wonderland. She took the red pill, right? What happened to her? She get shrink, small. And then when she took the blue one, she grew up again. Well, now that's the next pill. I will make
She's gonna get small, I'm gonna get big.
And this is made of Belvedere, grapefruit with elderflower, Saint Germain with lime, topped with sparkling wine. That's it.
Amazing.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Wow.
Down the rabbit hole.
So cool. Red pill and blue pill. Chastity gets the blue pill. It's going to make her smaller.
Red pill.
Right? The red pill makes her smaller.
Makes you smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get bigger.
Blue pill makes Betsy bigger.
I feel it's a matrix.
Yeah.
That's where I'm going. Yeah.
They get from the story from Matrix, right? Blue
Okay.
and the red. And then follow with the tattooed rabbit.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Remember?
Lady with the rabbit tattoo.
Yes.
That's right. You're the man, Gary.
So thin, I don't even know you're there.
That's why the story inside, when you took the red pill, Alice, where is Alice now? The small one.
Yeah.
There's the Alice, the small one.
Okay.
The window.
Yeah.
The big one, you know the big one, where's Alice? The hose.
Ah.
It works out, because you're the little one and I'm the big one.
Well, maybe it's just also
Everybody look
like the same size.
Guys, we are having such a good time here. Gary is the man. Our bartender, Gary, he is the man here in Wonderland. And of course, if you want to have a good time, you come hang out with Beach, please. I mean, come on. There you go. Cheers, Beaches. Happy birthday to the Belle de Ball, Betsy.